Here we have Viola's babies. My goodness, today is the 19th of May. They were born 4th of May. So they're already 15 days old. This is what happens. I'm just so far behind with everything. But I want to show them off. First one is a boy. Oh, he is the biggest. It says chocolate, but he's actually a black boy. Black boy, got his eyes open. His name is Ian. I-A-N. Solid black boy. Look at him. So adorable. Let me make sure my light. Adjust my light here. He's the biggest one. Ferrari is the daddy. He's a pretty boy. That's Iron he's eating. And there is Mommy. Indy is red. She's the smallest one. She's a Wheaten girl. I have to see how she will develop. She's the darkest one. I'm using, let me check if I can do my light better. It's kind of awfully bright. Oh, she's the smallest one, a little Wheaten girl. She could be a teacup. She's very, very small. Look at this face. Oh. Yes, Mommy. My dogs are barking at the German Shepherd. Then we have Iris. She's a black girl. Oop, pulling her out. Yellow band. She still has her eyes closed too. Yes. Black girl. Solid black. Yellow band. 14 days old, getting ready to open their eyes any day. Then we have Orange. Her name is Ivy. She's a big girl too. She's got her eyes open. Seems like the smaller ones have their eyes still closed. Ooh, yawning. There we are. Daddy Ferrari is only 7 pounds. Mommy is more like 10, 12 pounds. Boy, is she yawning a lot. Ooh. Yes, baby. More light is needed, it says. Come on, baby, let me show your face. Yes. Oh. Oh. I don't know why it's not that clear. But that's little Ivy. And the little tiny girl is down here. She was nursing. Oh. Tiny little baby. She should open up her eyes soon. So this is her beautiful litter. And they're climbing all over her. Nighty night. It's 2 a.m. in the morning.